Good day, Ma'am Bunag. We are Sean Axel Reyes and Pereira's Church Zion. And this is our code in POS. Irara na po namin yung code. So, first po is magpapakita po yung code namin ng login form na meron pong 3 attempts. Kapag naano niyo na po yung 3 attempts po, mag-exit po yung login form and di po siya makaka-login. So, first po is login, then meron po kaming create account, then forgot password, nakalimutan po yung password. So, first po is i-create muna ng account. Then meron po kaming security answer para po sa ano, sa option po para sa forgot password. Okay. Then login na po. So ayan po yung product namin. Meron kaming portable speaker, home speaker, tsaka smart speaker. Then we'll try to add to cart po tsaka magda-add ng quantity. Then proceed na po sa payment. So meron pong 2 options po yung customer dito, which is the cash and GCash po. So try po muna namin yung cash. Ayan, ayan po, payment successful, meron po siyang receipt. Then another ano naman po, add to cart po ulit. Ayan, tapos proceed po to another payment. Tapos we'll try naman po yung GCash number and confirm. So ayan po. So that's all lang po. Thank you. Okey na yan. Upload mo na sa YouTube pre.